In this video I will show you how to add MySQL connection in Azure Data Studio. You can see here by default it only support for SQL Server, and if you want to add for MySQL then follow these steps. For this, click on extension icon on the left nav. Then in search field search for MySQL and click on it from the list. It is MySQL extension for Azure Data Studio. You can see here feature like connect to MySQL anywhere. You can see MySQL authentication to access MySQL database. Searchable Object Explorer view for database objects with auto-completion. View query results and save to CSV, JSON, XML, or Excel. You can click on Install button at the top to install this extension. After installing, go and create new connection and you will get MySQL connection there. You can also provide MySQL server details, such as the server address, username, and password, and then click on Connect to establish a connection to the MySQL database. Hope you like this. Please like, share, and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.